Now we are watching our live trades, an interesting setup on a live MetaTrader chart. So the first thing that we will try to see is Tesla stock. In the beginning of this year, I created one sell order, and after that I was neutral. So as you can see, I entered around the 900 level, and I'm keeping my short trade right now, so I'm almost 200 pips in the profit. As you know, last 2 years a lot of traders around the world tried to short Tesla stock and they had a huge loss, and a lot of them I know they said in CNN, on BBC, on famous news channels that they will stop to short Tesla stock because they lose so much money, and they were devastated. So I know that it's a chance for me, because as you know, if you do a fundamental analysis, and if you do any kind of any kind of formula, either Peter Lynch, either Ben Graham and Warren Buffett, or any value investment calculation for Tesla stock, you will see this stock is overbought. This is a really overbought stock, and it's wonderful for short. However, I didn't last 2 years try that because market was unstable, and there was a huge volatility. But this year I saw this interesting pattern here, as you can see, in the beginning of the December 31, and then we had a interesting yearly opening range. So I just want to tell people what is the yearly opening range. So as you can see right now, here the opening range is when you watch the first couple weeks, or first week or 2 weeks in the beginning of the year, and if you see that price is trying to go below that level, usually it's a good start for this quarter, sometimes the half of the year, sometimes whole year, that we can see the bearish trend for some stock. Of course, there is a mixed science research works in studies in this area, and a lot of scientists will tell you this is not true. Someone this yes, there is a mixed. There's no consensus, but there is one important thing. I did my job. I did a value investment calculation, and I saw that really Tesla stock is overbought, and this price that we pay for Tesla stock is not realistic. And it's not just not realistic, it's a couple times bigger than it should be, and it's not normal, even with this inflation and either with everything. And I realized that we have a huge increase of commodity price. So huge increase in commodity price. We have increase in expenses and everything, and I realized that it's a good indication that we can start maybe to think about longer term to short Tesla stock. Right now, I will keep my stop loss around this 969 level, and I don't want to go against that. If I see that price breaks this level, I will be neutral in that moment. So right now I can put almost break even my trade, and I can be really relax in trading. So there's no problem for me. I made short trade. I'm in the almost 200 pips in profit, and I will be just relax. And if I see that price is above my purchase my sold level, I will just close a trade, and I will wait to see what will happen. But I see the further bearish trend, and we will see what will happen. It's my opinion, and like you know, my channel is not investment advice channel. My channel is only channel education purpose, when I share my thoughts, my trading style, my my trading setups, and you can accept, or you can tell what you think about that. So this is the just for conversation and nothing more. So I'm staying short my Tesla stock. So let me go further. Brent and oil. So like I said, in the beginning of the March, and we saw war in the Ukraine, and we saw the problems worldwide, and everybody thought that the price now will go to the roof, and it will be without correction. But in gold, in Brent, in all commodities, we can see in the coffee, everything, you can see correction. So in March, we can see correction for all commodities. And because of that, and we know that the price is really high, I hope that something will be. So I think that the correction could be really deep, and I entered in a sell trade. But I didn't trade Brent. I didn't trade oil. Why? Because of war. The war is a problem. We have a problem with oil around the globe, and it's a dangerous because if we don't have some kind of commodity, that commodity will become precious, and because of that, price can go higher. And I don't want to go there. It's a tricky thing. Maybe we can see correction here. Maybe we can see correction of that level. And after that, maybe we can see another pick up or not. We will see what will happen, but I will not trade right now Brent. Now about euro dollar. This is just a naked chart. I just want to show you what's happened right now. Just like said last week, if you remember, I talked about levels. I talked that we were on the bottom 1.09 level, and I said that the next level is this 1.08 and 1.07 level, and after that, as you can see, we can see correction. But what we can do here? Nothing to do. Why? If we see the price try to break the low, we can enter into sell trade maybe, and right now it's not for buying. It's not for selling. It's just to monitor and to think about this, because euro dollar is oversold. It's tricky to buy right now, and it's not good to sell either. So this is the best way to be neutral in the long term. Like I said, I just want to repeat here. You can see if we just this is the just to add. Right now, you're watching automated trend line. So I have a lot of indicators that sometimes draw trend lines for me instead of me. It's very good. If you're interested in to have such an indicator, please, it's free. You can go to our website, forex.nrs. You have our website early on every single video and or this channel, and you can visit our indicator section. We have 100 indicators. You can just download for free. You can see what you like, what you not. The indicator will not change your life. This is not something that you will now become excellent trader. You will find a holy grail, something like that. Indicators, just little tools that can make easier for you to draw something, to realize something, to spot something, to find, for example, some candlestick pattern or something, to draw some trend lines without effort, just to make your life easier. So for that, use indicators, please. And of course, this is the currency pair that's disabled right now, because nobody can trade a US dollar Russian ruble. As you remember, last week I was prepared for selling, and I was waiting for 140, and as you can see, I missed. Yes, I missed very. Just what is the high? Oh, I didn't miss. The high was 140.5, and I was talking about 140 because you can see we can see that in the beginning of the year, price was something like around 70, and I told that the war doubled price and the Russian ruble really went down, and right now you can still recover. Why is that? Because as you know, we hope that peace will come, and after that everything will will change and will back and as used to be. And I hope that this war will stop. And if you like betting, if you want like to bet, this is the good thing to bet that war will stop. So I believe in that bet. In trading, I don't like betting, but in real life, I like when war stops. So I hope it will happen. Nevertheless, we have this situation right now. I hope that this is the good. Who can trade? Because a lot of brokers disable this. You can sell using dollar Russian ruble, but right now we cannot do that. I know a couple of traders that they had luck to make sell order and to run a lot of profit. And if anybody listen our recommendation and talk about this 140 level, and I'm very proud that we almost predict the highest level. It's so funny because as you know, trading is not prediction. Trading is not that you watch a crystal ball and predict the price, but it's a feel very comfortable when you see that you can predict predict something. It's a funny, but let me start to watch other things. And you right now see that I made two sell trades. You hear one sell trade and this another sell trade. Yes, I created in the live trading, and you can see we're really in good position. So I had a two selling trades here, and right now price there is a correction in all commodities, gold, and I like that I'm on the right side. I move my stop to break even, so my stop loss right now is my average stop loss is around $2,000, but my current on this chart is around 1,977, I think, like something like that. So nevertheless, what I want to tell you, I want to see huge correction for gold. I'm waiting what will happen. I want to see more bearish trend and to be in profit. Of course, I'm very cautious because there is a huge volatility in all commodities. So I just monitor and I will exit trade if I see there is some strong movement. Right now, I hope that this commodity will go down. Of course, just one addition, if we see that war stop in Ukraine, between Ukraine and Russia, I hope after that we'll see more bearish trend for gold, because I hope that commodities and this inflation and everything, the crazy things in this world will a little bit stop or decrease after good news. So this is the about gold. Right now we're watching for some traders that like to trade intraday, or for traders that like few pips profit, 20, 30, 40 pips profit, something like that. For all that traders, I just want to show that we monitor, as you know, just to zoom a little bit. Yes. And you can see right now we have a little correction. You have a blue rectangle. It's a opening range territory, and usually if we see the price is above that area, we have a daily, on the daily level or the short-term level, we have a bullish trend. Of course, this bullish trend is always little correction, because right now on a daily chart we saw we're really on the bearish side. But if you're a trader who like a few pips profit or 20, 30, 40 pips profit, buying euro dollar, it's not bad idea. Of course, if you above 1.0947 level, this is the blue area level. So this is the good thing for people who like maybe range trading or to try some tight stop loss, trading positions, etc., etc. The same thing for gold. And you can see right now where is the blue rectangle. So 1968 is the price level where I think the daily bearish trend will stop, and after that we are in the bullish trend. This is the bullish bearish invalidation point for me, and I'm just monitor this and go and try to do anything. So please write comments, ask if you want to hear something, to anything, and I will be really open to answer all the questions and to talk about your questions on these live sessions. Today we have a problem with live session, but I will create video and upload on a YouTube because we have some internet speed problems right now. It's a problem with my cable provider, but anyhow, please ask questions, make comments, and believe this channel, really this channel that I have, is a very boring channel. I will repeat that in a lot of videos here. I want that this channel be boring channel, with a very small number of visitors and subscribers, because I believe trading is boring job. And never I will tell you that you can earn a fortune, you can earn 100%, or that you can earn $5,000 in one day like all YouTube channel talk about, because it's impossible. Actually, it's possible if you have $200,000 on your account, you can earn $5,000 in one day, but even that, it's a risk trade. Even there. So my goal for this video and for future videos is, please remember, trading is a boring job. There is no $5,000, 200%, 500%, such a crazy things in trading. Trading is a risky job. You need to be cautious. You need to have a setups, and you see I'm sharing setups, talk about everything. You can see how I'm trading. I'm not superstar. I'm not some guy that can teach you to make a fortune, because really it's impossible. But what I can share, we do a lot of tests. We have our quantitative trading platform that it's a proprietary software, so you cannot use that. It's only ours. There we make tests, hundreds and hundreds of tests. Every single test that we create has at least 100,000 candles, and sometimes we watch 20, 25, 30 years history tests, even when we do hourly trading setups. So we really have a big data, and after that data, I can tell you it's really tough to create good strategy. It's really tough to create a strategy that have a 55% winning ratio if you risk $1 and try to reach $1. So very difficult, challenging job, and really we use in fundamental analysis, we use I think more than 200 indicators, because we provide new indicators, test various things. We really use a lot of features and try to predict price, try to do classification, try every kind of a machine learning problem that you can imagine. We're trying, we are testing, we are read science research papers, we test strategies, we work that all day, and I can tell you it's very tough. It's not easy. If you have questions, I will try to tell our opinion, my opinion, and this is all. So as you know, I will tell my favorite greetings, and it is I wish you a great day, and bye bye.